Since 1950, human numbers have tripled from 2.5 billion to over 8 billion. In that same time frame, we are taking and consuming 6 times more of our Earth's resource. The scientific proof is overwhelming. Together, all of humanity now faces 10 catastrophic threats. Rapid decline of vital natural resources like water, soil, fish and forests. Collapse of ecosystems causing mass extinction of animals and plants. Human population growth substantially exceeding the planet's carrying capacity. Global heating, sea level rise and violent changes in the Earth's climate. Chemical emissions that poison every person and creature on Earth. Rising threats to world food security. An escalating danger of nuclear war. New pandemics and untreatable diseases. Powerful, uncontrolled new technologies that will change and could ruin all our lives. A flood of lies, misinformation and delusion, leading to global failure to act to save ourselves. These threats must all be solved together if the danger is to be avoided. Acting together, as one people on one planet, is the only way we get past this crisis. We desperately need a legal agreement, an Earth Systems Treaty, which every government, every group, every business and every individual human can sign, committing themselves to preserving life on a habitable Earth. The Earth Systems Treaty would contain the following legal commitments: a universal ban on all nuclear weapons, an international plan to combat climate change, an international plan to restore forests, soils, fresh waters, oceans, atmospheres, biodiversity, and to end extinction. A world agreement to operate a circular economy and end waste. A plan for a renewable world food supply sufficient for all. A plan to end universal chemical pollution in all its forms. A plan to reduce the human population voluntarily to a sustainable level. A plan to prevent future pandemic diseases. A global technology convention to prevent harm from wrongful use of powerful new technologies. A World Truth Commission to combat and expose the lies and disinformation. An Earth Standard Currency. The Sustainable Development Goals and Principles described in the Earth Charter. All of the safe global boundaries described by the Stockholm Resilience Centre. We have the technology and the brains to solve our problems. Now we must have the institutions and the global will to adopt the solutions. Building commitment for an Earth Systems Treaty will be the most ambitious thing humans have ever undertaken. It will also be our greatest achievement. The Earth Systems Treaty will be the first true act of global democracy, a habitable Earth forged by the people for all the people. Let us stand, all of us together, and support the Earth Systems Treaty. The time to act is now.